Hello my fellow idiots and welcome to episode 3 of An Idiot's Guide. Now today we're going to be focusing on events, specifically the guild events, like guild, ban, add, remove, create, I'm going to be focusing on those events right now. There's a few events that we won't be doing and a few events we can't do. We can't do the emoji events, create, delete and update, because they're not implemented fully internally yet. I mean, yeah, the documentation's there, but it doesn't do anything. Trust me, I spent like half an hour trying to go to work. Guild member available we won't be doing because we're a small guild. That's designed specifically for larger guilds. Remove members chunk and guild unavailable. We won't be doing those ones. I will say this, guild member speaking is a special event. We'll get to that in a bit. But yeah, I'm going to leave the ban stuff till last. So I need to give my bot permissions, all the non-administrative positions, and I need to get my client ID because one of the first events we are going to do, guild delete first. Emitted whenever a guild is deleted or left. Let's do it above the prefix. Client.on. Now I'm going to do this. And I'm just going to comment that out because instead of having to type that out manually repeatedly, we'll just do this. Guild delete. That is correct, right? Delete, yeah. And that returns a guild object. Okay. Console.log. Now I want to output information to the console. So, and I'm actually going to use this time, so you can see everything on one screen. I want to output set bits of information, like the guild name, stuff like that. So to do that, it's like guild delete, emitted whenever a guild is deleted or left, parameter guild, type guild. Now if you click that, that gives you the guild object. I believe it's the guild object, I could be wrong. It gives you all of this. It's like, that's what we want. We want name. And we'll add a time when we left. So, I have left, doing temporal literals again, from like we did from the previous episode. Guild.name at new date. Now I believe that'll work. Could be wrong. Let's save it. Now there is a thing that you guys can install because I've had someone comment that use this instead of having to terminate and relaunch manually. Node-mon. I already have it installed, but I can quickly reinstall it. npm install globally. You want to install it globally. Node-mon. And what that'll do is kind of like a very watered down basic version of PM2. Just wait for it to install. But it's like literally, once you're in your bot directory, all you need to do is literally type in node-mon. And any files that get edited or modified. Okay, I was going to say that's taking a while. There we go. Oh, I got updated by the looks of it. Yeah, I got updated. Right. Okay, node-mon. And I'm online. And IdiotBot is online. It is in fact online. Now, if I were to snap this here and snap you there and kick idiotbot, I have left an idiot's guide at time and date. Perfect. Now, whilst he's off the server, client.on guild create. Basically, it's just like what we're doing for delete. Quite a lot of these are like the polar opposite. So I want guild object again, and I just realised I didn't copy and paste. Rip me. Space there. Didn't realise. And it's console.log. Actually, no, let's do something different. I've seen this request quite a few times. How to send a message to the default channel when they join. So guild default channel dot send message, temporal literals again. I have joined. Wrong one. There we go. Guild dot name. I'm not going to bother with the timestamp. I mean, you know how to do it. If we save that, I'm online. Now, I need to snap this over here. Idiotbot, non-administrative permissions, authorize. Oh wait, I have to select server. Authorize. And I see it joined and it sent the message. So that is 2 guild events down. So you got guild delete, guild create. Leave this, basically bot leave, bot join the server. Right. Next, just sort out my. There we go. Okay. I want to go back to client. We've done them, can't do those. Guild member add. Right, this one I'm going to see something slightly different. I'm going to see if I can increase the brightness. There we go. I do apologise if I'm going light and dark. Right, guild member add. So let's just write that out. Guild member add. Now, version 10.1, so version 10 or 10.1, they changed how you get the guild because it only gives you the member object now. So to get the guild equals member.guild. Okay. Guild.default channel like we did before, dot send message, temporal literals. Please welcome. Where is it? If I remember, it's member.user.username. But let's check the documents. Okay, create. No, I'm looking at the wrong documents. It's right here. Guild member add, it takes a guild member object, and that has a user, which takes a user object, username. So you've got your guild member, which is, that's your guild member, that's the user object, that's the username. To the server. Now, that won't mention him. That will mention him. I personally hate it when I join a server and I have a bot pinging me as soon as I join the server. That really puts me off on the server. So to be respectful, we're not going to ping people. Now I've just saved it, reloaded. I'm going to grab an invite and I'm going to send it to my friend. Right, send him a message. Bye bye, Gray. See you in a minute. Come on. There we go. please welcome VZW Gray to the server. That's how you do your welcome events. Now, if you want to, add or make a note of when people leave, I think it's guild member remove. Let's go back to client. Guild member remove. Removed whenever a member leaves the guild or is kicked. Okay, so please say goodbye to we will miss you. And I forgot the semi-colons. I am a monster. Kick. Please say goodbye to Grey. We will miss you. Right. Guild member remove, guild members chunk, guild members speaking. Guild member speaking, we have to, and this is the bit I was saying earlier, we have to add an Opus engine. I already have one installed because I did a video about music and whatnot. I already have one installed. But you need an Opus engine installed. Now you can do Opus script, which is basically a script version where you don't really need to compile anything. But if you use Node Opus, you do need to compile it, if I remember correctly. And Gray's back on the server. Now, I have tested this. It does work, but I'm just going to copy a command, well, actually a number of commands, or 2 commands, not a number, but well, technically 2 is a number. But yeah, let's just copy these and stick them into our message event handler. Underneath the prefix bit. Okay. I have to join the channel first, and then I have to tell idiotbot to join, and okay, oh wait, no, I need to. I actually have to write the event. Well, we know that's working. Okay, where's the snippet? Okay, let's close these. Right. The reason why I do that, it makes it easier to keep an eye on where you're going. Now this returns as a boolean, basically true or false. Okay. Now I will say I cannot remember how I got it, so I'm going to consult my notes. Oh, it does member and speaking. Guild member and yeah. So we have to do this. Right, I would do this to get the guild. Right, here we go. If member dot speaking guild dot default channel dot send message template literals again. Member.user.username, because I don't want to mention them, is speaking. Now I will say this will get annoying if you do this. It will get really annoying. Right, okay, let's make it join again. Right, it's in our voice channel now. Hello, I am speaking at this moment. Hello. Hi. As you can see, it is now spamming the channel whenever I let the green circle go away and come back. See? So yeah, for this you do need to have a Nopus engine installed just for it to work, and you have to have the bot in the voice channel with you. So let's make him leave. So that can be used. I vaguely remember, I think it's HK from discord.js, the official server. If I remember right, he tried creating a speech-to-text interface bot, which is pretty neat, if I do say so myself. Alright. Let's go through all the events that we need to do. Right, let's see. We've done guild delete, guild create, member add, member remove, guild member speaking. Okay, let's have a look. Create, delete, member add, remove, speaking, guild member update. Right. This requires another module just to make it easier. Because it's going to get annoying. New member, old member. Right, let me just consult my notes. Right. What we need, npm install save. What was it? Oh crap, I forgot what it was. Notes. Okay. Return deep diff. Basically, this this compares collections and arrays and whatnot to one another. So let's just relaunch the bot while I flick through my notes. Right, now we need, realistically, we don't need to get the guild, so we're not going to bother getting the guild. But if we do console.log, and I have to require it first, like an idiot. Const d diff equals require return d. Yeah, return that. Would help if I spelled require correctly. There we go. Right. Okay. Where was I? Oh yeah, d diff. Oh. Did I get that right? New then old, or is it old then new? Where am I? It's old then new. So let's swap that round. Old to new. Deep diff to n member. And that should output to the console. Now let's nickname Grey. No, not Kick. Let's give him a nickname. Let's call him George. He seems like a George. See? Nickname George. And if we remove it, reset nickname, he's now null. Now if we add a role to him, let's give him bot role. He adds the bot role to him. And it removes it. And off the top of my head, set game videos. Okay, decided not. Okay, it didn't work. Rip. But yeah, that's basically how it works. It'll compare the differences, and that's it really. Oh no, we got guild update to go, and then we've got the ban events. Okay, we'll do yeah, let's do guild update, which is basically the same. So we just copy, paste, shrink that, get rid of member, guild, new guild, and if I was to just copy that, paste it there. Now, off the top of my head, I think this only works with like the name of the guild. So let's try. No, I don't want to change that. Let's try. Grey is an idiot. He's not really. There we go. Grey is an idiot. Embed enabled. I'm not sure what that means, but yeah, that'll tell you everything that changes. But yeah, let me just have this drink. Now on to the ban events. Just giving my friend a heads up that we're doing ban events. Now, give me the documentation, go back to the top. Guild ban add. Got guild and user. So, let's just copy, paste, guild ban add, and it's guild and user in that order. Guild user. Okay, just double check everything. Yeah. Okay. Get rid of you. Okay, guild dot default channel dot send message template literals user dot username was just banned. And whilst I'm here, I will do the unban event, which, as you guessed it, is it remove or removed? Remove. Always double check. If you're unsure, always double check. And that is basically it for the main events. Now, don't need to see that, so here we go. Ban. Don't delete any. Yeah, okay. Just straight up ban him. Grey was just banned. Please say goodbye to Grey. We will miss you. No, we won't. Yes, we will. No. Yes, we will. And you might not be able to make it out, but if I click unban, right, there he is. He just got unbanned. Now let's try and get back on the server. Now let's see. Hey! Welcome back to the server. So yeah, there you have it, folks. We have covered the main guild events. Got guild delete, guild create. Basically, leaving a guild, joining a guild, a member joining the guild, a member leaving the guild, a member speaking in a voice channel, a member updating their user data like nicknames or status, you know, guild update, like I think it's like updating the server name and I think they've got the region and stuff like that. Then you've got your add and ban remove events. Now, I'm just going to double check. Ban, add, remove, create, delete. Can't do those. Add guild member available. Now let's see what that says. Emitted whenever a member becomes available in a large guild. So that's why we can't really do it. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, I need to give you your bots roll back. 3 bots, 2 humans. See, yeah. Can't really do it. I'm not too sure what that is. So I'm not gonna. I will admit, I hold up my hands. You know, I don't know what that is. Yeah, that we've done. Emitted whenever a guild member changes, i.e., new role, removed role, or a nickname. Guild unavailable. Now that's really easy. Basically, it tells you if a guild is down or up. So I mean, you've seen how I've done these events, so you could probably figure it out for yourself. Yeah, emit it whenever a guild is updated, e.g. name change. Those are the main events that you need to do. Yeah, basically we've done all of these guild events. Now I will say this, with us doing the ban event, we will be covering moderation bots. And maybe the next episode I might start doing like a kick command or a mute command. We'll see. But this is all the time I have for this episode, guys. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button wherever it is. I think it's over there. I don't know, it should be below me. Leave feedback if you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed the series, please let me know, because I like making the videos, and your feedback will tell me that you like seeing them. So yeah, until next time, guys. Just remember, what do I know? I'm an idiot. Bye.